Mint, that aromatic herb that evokes freshness and vitality, has been a treasure throughout history, a gift from nature that has found its place in both gastronomy and medicine. From the ancient temples of Egypt, where it was used for embalming the deceased, and as a symbol of hospitality to modern kitchens, mint has left an indelible mark on various cultures. It has become an essential ingredient that not only enhances the flavor of our dishes, but also offers surprising health benefits. Imagine a hot day in Madrid, where the sun shines brightly and the air is filled with the vibrant energy of the city. Amidst the hustle and bustle, you find yourself searching for a way to cool down. In that moment, a cup of mint tea becomes your salvation. The fresh, minty aroma envelops you, and with the first sip, you feel how the cold and aromatic drink revitalizes your body and mind. Mint, with its ability to alleviate digestive issues and reduce stress, transforms into more than just a simple infusion. It becomes a wellness ritual, a moment of pause amid the chaos of everyday life. Green mint and peppermint are two of the most prominent varieties of this herb. Green mint, with its mild and sweet flavor, is often used in salads, desserts, and cocktails, while peppermint, more intense and spicy, is the go-to choice for infusions and confections. Each has its own personality and place in the kitchen, and together they form a dynamic duo that has captivated palates around the world. In gastronomy, mint is not just a simple garnish on dishes. It is an ingredient that transforms and elevates the culinary experience. Think of a traditional roasted lamb dish, where a sauce made from fresh mint can be the perfect complement, adding a vibrant contrast that awakens the senses. Or consider a chocolate dessert, where some chopped mint leaves can elevate the flavor to new heights, creating a perfect harmony between the sweet and the fresh. But mint is not just a delight for the palate. Its medicinal properties have been valued since ancient times. In traditional medicine, mint has been used to treat a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to headaches. Its ability to relax the muscles of the digestive tract makes it a natural remedy for indigestion and stomach discomfort. Additionally, its refreshing aroma is known for its calming effects, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. In a world where the fast-paced rhythm can be overwhelming, a simple cup of mint tea can offer a breath of fresh air, a moment of tranquility that we all need. Now, if you want to experience the best of this herb in a cozy and flavorful setting, I invite you to Cantina 33, a magical place located at Campomanes 5, in the heart of Madrid. Here, mint occupies a special place on our diverse tea menu, where every sip is a celebration of freshness and authenticity. At Cantina 33, you can not only enjoy an exquisite mint tea, but also indulge in authentic Venezuelan cuisine adapted for all tastes. The culinary proposal at Cantina 33 is a journey through the flavors of Venezuela, where each dish tells a story and every bite is a tribute to tradition. Whether you're looking for gluten-free options or a menu full of vegan alternatives, at Cantina 33, you'll find choices for everyone. Mint, as a common thread, is woven into various preparations, adding its freshness and character to dishes ranging from stuffed arepas to delightful desserts. Imagine sharing a table with friends, laughing and enjoying a meal that not only satisfies your hunger, but also nourishes the soul. Each dish at Cantina 33 is an invitation to explore, discover new flavors, and enjoy each other's company. And when the time comes to culminate the experience with a cup of mint tea, you know you have found a refuge amidst the hustle and bustle of the city. The warmth of the team at Cantina 33 is another aspect that makes your visit unforgettable. They will greet you with a smile as if you were part of the family and will ensure that every detail of your experience is perfect. In this corner of Madrid, mint is not just an ingredient, it is a symbol of hospitality, connection, and joy. So if you find yourself in Madrid and are looking for a dining experience that combines tradition, flavor, and freshness, don't forget to visit Cantina 33. I promise that a cup of our mint tea will have you coming back for more, and the warmth of our team will make you feel right at home. Come and discover everything we have to offer. Let yourself be enveloped by the aroma of mint and dive into a world of flavors that celebrate the richness of Venezuelan cuisine. The mint is waiting for you, ready to refresh your day and delight your palate.